Thought I'd do a quick comparison between the Target exclusive and the Best Buy exclusive. So I'll take a quick look at the Target one. It's got a nice lenticular cover. Also very reflective. I don't know how well that comes off. And the writing here is a little raised up, and that card is also raised up. There's the back. Comes with the art book. The side. The other side. There's the Best Buy version. That's kind of a little shiny where the actors are. That's a little raised here. Comes with the bonus disc. Very similar on the back. Okay, so slide this one up. And inside we got the Blu-ray movie. Got the bonus disc. And ultraviolet copy. On the back, just advertisement. DVD. Here's an art book. Also has a digital copy. Advertisement. It's kind of a little thinner than I expected, but nice to have anyway. Very cool concept art. And then inside, pretty much the same, other than the inserts. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.